Hi there, this is Fixed It. It's really annoying when you've got this VAX SlimVac cordless and you've cleaned out the inside and it's got zero suction. You can take this bottom off, so if you press the container release button, we can see the container's clean. The next level is this filter, and you can spin that filter and pull the filter and also the container off, and then you can separate those two. Use a brush to clean the pair of them out thoroughly. There's a bit here on the side of the container, so we'll just give that a brush. Okay, so that's all clean. So let's put that back on, lock it back in place, and then just slot that back on. Locked in place, and then lock on the end piece again. There, put that in, so make sure that all lines up. Okay, right, so that's all cleaned out, but there's virtually no suction. So what's the problem?